Hi, do you feel nervous or shy while speaking English? Many people think grammar or vocabulary is the main problem, but actually, the biggest problem is often your mindset. Fear of making mistakes, worrying about what other people will think, or feeling not good enough. These are mental blocks that stop you from speaking confidently. Today, I'm going to help you break these mindset blocks so you can finally speak English freely and confidently. Let's get started and unlock your true potential. One of the biggest mindset block is fear of being judged. Many people feel scared that other people will laugh at them or think that they are not smart if they make a mistake in English. But here's the truth, many people are not judging you at all. In fact, people are usually supportive. They respect you for trying to speak a new language. For example, think about when you watch someone give a speech or a presentation in English. Do you focus on their mistakes? No. You usually want them to do well and feel happy for them. The same is true when you speak. Your friends and colleagues, or even strangers, they mostly want you to succeed. Remember, making mistake is normal. It proves that you are trying and actually helps you grow and improve. So next time you feel nervous to tell before yourself, you nobody is judging me, they are supporting me. Keep this in mind and you will feel more confident when you open your mouth to speak. Another big mistake or another big mindset block is the need for perfection. Many learners think they must speak English perfectly without making grammar mistakes, perfect pronunciation, and perfect vocabulary. But here's the problem, perfection stops progress. When you focus too much on being perfect, you feel nervous. You overthink every sentence and you might not speak at all. Instead of trying to be perfect, focus on connection. Your main goal should be to express your ideas and connect with people, not to impress them with your perfect English. Think about it when you talk to a friend. Do you worry if the sentence is 100% wrong or correct? No, you focus on sharing feelings and thought. Let me give you a powerful tip. Next time when you try to speak English, focus on the message and not the mistakes. People will understand you even if you make small errors. And the more you speak, the better and more natural you will become. So remember, connection over perfection. Progress is better than perfection always. Let's talk about another mindset block, the fear of embarrassment. Many people feel shy because they are afraid of making mistakes and looking silly in front of others. But here's the truth, everyone makes mistakes. Even the native speakers make grammar mistakes or forget words sometimes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning any new skills. In fact, mistakes are not something to be ashamed of. They are sign that you are trying and every mistakes help you to improve. Think about children learning to walk. They fall many times, but they never stop trying because they feel embarrassed. They keep going, and that's how they finally learn to walk confidently. It's the same with English. The more you try, the more confident you become. Every mistake is equal to progress. So, next time you feel embarrassed, remind yourself I am learning, I am growing. My mistakes are helping me to become better. So when you stop fearing embarrassment, you will feel more freely You will speak more freely and enjoy learning journey much more. Let's try to understand the positive affirmation. Now that we have talked about the mindset blocks, let's fill our mind with positive thoughts. Affirmations are powerful sentences you tell yourself to build confidence and remove fear. When you repeat them, your brain starts to believe them. Here are some simple affirmations you can try every day. I am brave enough to speak. This reminds that speaking up is an act of courage and you become stronger enough to do it. My mistakes help me to grow. Instead of feeling bad for your mistakes, take them as step forwards. That will make you feel better. Then I enjoy expressing myself. It always shares ideas, feelings, and personality to the world. You can say these affirmations in the morning, before meeting, or anytime you feel nervous. Let's say them together now. Repeat after me loudly or in your mind. I am brave enough to speak. My mistakes help me to grow. I enjoy expressing myself. Beautiful. The more you repeat this sentence, stronger your confidence will become. Keep practicing these every day and watch your mindset transform. Remember, your biggest barrier to speak English is confidently is not your grammar or vocabulary, it's your mindset. Today, we talked about three common blocks: fear of judgment, need for perfection, and fear of embarrassment. Now, I want to ask you, which block stops you the most? Comment below and tell me honestly. I read every comment and I also like to support you. Let's overcome it together. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe it to someone who needs this encouragement too. You are brave and stronger than you think. Keep practicing, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.